Oh, I was actually just about to leave to the gym. Freaking it's Christmas today for me. Wow. Mario didn't even tell me. You guys ready? I'm about to open this Threadbeast. Mario! Plastic knife. Trying to work. This guy, Mario.
What's up?
What's up, guys? So first item we got is fucking red socks.
Matches the fucking hat I have.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Okay, Threadbeast.
Cool.
It's cool.
I see what you do. I see what you do.
Oh shit, got the dope ass hat though.
It's dope. 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 Cool. Dope.
Diamond bro. What's up? Alright, item number 3. We got some Janes. Janes? No, I don't even know what these are. Perry Ellis. Freaking. I just call them Janes.
They're like.
Nice.
They're like.
Slacks.
Yeah, they're like. They're kind of like.
Kind of see-through too. What the fuck?
See through your butthole.
See my butt over this shit.
Damn, man. This kind of reminds me of like how like Beavers will like wear and breakdance and how like comfortable and like
Yeah.
smooth and like you can like flare.
Oh shit.
This is the
ninja
shit.
Sweater. Or
This is
t-shirt,
cool,
ninjas.
man.
Ninja t-shirt, sweater, t-shirt.
Like a sweater, t-shirt.
Hold that shit.
I'm digging it.
It's interesting. Got put on to see what it look like
I
though.
must steal it from you.
What's that one? It's a white collar. It's whatever. I don't care.
This kind of makes me feel like if I was a priest, like this
It
is
looks like a plus, like you're medic or something.
like I feel like I was a priest. I just need
Look
the
at this
little
shirt.
like an inverted priest.
Black tee with fighting on it.
T. It's a t-shirt.
We used to be friends. Shit.
Punch.
Is he stabbing him? It's a backstabbing
It's a
t-shirt,
backstabbing
dude.
t-shirt.
The fuck? That's fucked up.
We used to be friends until you backstabbed me.
Damn.
It's couplet.
Hit you in the heart. You gotta wear that when you're like pissed or like or some shit.
Come. You ready for my fluffy ass hair?
That was our last one. So yeah, guys, we just opened the Threadbeast box. It was dope. That was a good box this time. Had a couple bad ones. Not really bad, but okay, whatever. I don't really like the flannel stuff, but yeah. Peace. We'll go edit. Good night. That's the last one. That was it, guys. Get some round shit. Ow, mother.
This bitch. I'm broken.
Alright guys, till next time.
Let you see me release in the background. Are you still recording?
Yeah.